Every second, somewhere on Earth, someone picks up one of these and disappears into another world.
Sony has sold over 50 million DualSense controllers worldwide, but nobody shows you how it's actually built.
Today, Process Pulse Factory takes you inside, where the magic actually happens. James has built more DualSense controllers than he can count. This is his world. For James, this isn't just a job. Every controller that leaves this floor has his hands on it.
His son plays every weekend. He just doesn't know his dad built the controller in his hands.
Shift starts. And somewhere in this building, a DualSense is born.
It is important to know how to tap the trees carefully so that we don't damage them.
Our advanced injection molding machines ensure high-quality, precise parts for your supply chain needs.
Our quality standards ensure every product meets Sony's reputation for excellence. Innovation and precision are key.
Resistors batch 7B, 57985. Sensor modules increasing. LED arrays and power cells, check.
I think it's important to remember that technology is constantly evolving.
And yeah, wait, yung oranges were yung sa talo.
Here we have the vibrotactile actuators, and nested within the kinesthetic feedback mechanisms, creating different layers.
Building 450 identical controllers per hour sounds simple. The reality is a constant war against microscopic variation.
The variance here is about 3%.
That's enough to feel completely different in a gamer's hands.
Regardless of what's happening outside, this facility maintains exactly 19 degrees Celsius. High-speed cameras photograph every controller from 24 angles simultaneously, flagging defects humans cannot see. Users. The new inline trigger resistance testing system, installed after the 2021 incident. Every trigger tested before the controller shell. Fast cut montage, rejected shells, misaligned buttons, failed haptic motors, scratched surfaces, incorrect screw torque readings. We have confirmation from the backup supplier. They can air freight the components by tomorrow morning. The 2022 global chip shortage hit every electronics manufacturer. Sony's contingency stockpile kept this line running for 61 days. 3 a.m., a skeleton crew of 28 managing the entire facility. Same output, half the staff. The night shift runs with 28 people. Same production targets.
Sony drills a full product recall every year. Every person on this floor knows exactly what to do before they ever need to.
The towns surrounding the facility, schools, roads, businesses, Apamber, all connected to the employment this facility generates. So as you can see, the components from East Asia are then routed to our assembly plants in Europe.
Skilled night jacket bandiki. Sa soploban China ki prati hai. Atta par banko chalme ya chapo ek prati swekti.
Local businesses are integral to the facility's operations. Component suppliers ensure a steady flow of necessary parts.
Look, sweetheart, this is where Mommy works. See the big machines.
Wow, Mommy, they're so shiny.
So I told him, you want this done by morning, you got to give us more than wishes.
Laughs. Good one, Maria.
You say that?
Back in my day, we didn't have all this fancy tech, but the principles of hard work and attention to detail, those never change.
I understand, sir.
Now you see, you press it just like that. Okay, I think I got it.
Congratulations. Your first batch passed all checkpoints.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate the opportunity.
You've seen how it's built. Now tell us, what part of this process surprised you most? Drop it in the comments below.
Next on Process Pulse Factory, we go inside the facility that makes 8 million of something you use every single day. You won't guess what it is.
The extended cut, including the prototype archive and the restricted lab footage, is available for Process Pulse Factory members.
Process Pulse Factory. Every week a new facility, a new process, a new world you never knew existed. Subscribe and never look at everyday objects the same way again.